Hey you guys, today we're gonna go ahead and put a gift together, and this is a gift for my godchild. She's going to love it. I'm gonna go ahead and use these boxes on the Dollar Tree. You get 2 of them for $1, and if you get them in a smaller one, I think you get 3. I'm gonna go ahead and use some tissue that I'm gonna add it right into the middle because I want this to look really nice and done. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that tissue. You can add it any color you want, but I like using the white, especially when I'm adding something, that already has a little bit of color in it. So I think that would be perfect to put in there. I'm going to go ahead and add this t-shirt I made for her birthday. Look how cute it is, and it's in glitter. I don't know if you can see it, but it says birthday, and then I added some big butterflies, and I also added some little butterflies, but look how adorable this is. I made this for her since it's her birthday. I thought she would look so cute in it, and it actually came out really pretty. I have a video if you want to go check it out on how I put this together. Super easy to do, and it came out perfect. I cannot wait to make many more t-shirts for her. I'm going to add this right in the middle of the box, just like that. So when she opens it, she can see the glitter and the butterflies. And that's the first thing kids are going to look at. So look how cute that came out. That is adorable. I cannot wait to make many more projects like this for her. I thought that would be very pretty. And it stands out when she opens the box. I'm going to make sure that she opens it the right way so she can see the whole project. But I think it came out really cute. I love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some more goodies in here. So this is just an add-on gift. I already had made her one. I'm going to cut this tissue in half. I love my tissue, and I love to save tissue. If anybody gives me a gift, I save my tissue for another project. I don't know why. I just love it. I'm going to go ahead and place that on top because I want to add a little bit more goodies, and I don't want it to damage the t-shirt until she's ready to put it on. And she damages it herself. I made these little bows. Look at how cute they're going to be on her hair. That one is in the purple glitter, and it's a fabric. I also made them in the pink. And look at it, has the little clip in the bottom, so she can go ahead and add them when she puts on her little shirt. They're going to be so adorable. I have a video of how I made those, so I'll link that down below as well as the video for the t-shirt. But I made her a set. So that way she has, and then I made some without the backing in case her mom wants to put it in her room or glue it down to one of her projects, or glue it down somewhere that she could have it. I also picked up this princess, and this is a stash. It's a princess birthday stash, and this was at the Dollar Tree. I thought it would go perfect with this gift. Look how cute that is. I'll put the stash in there, and then I'll add the bows on the side. I thought that was really cute. That way she can wear the stash, the shirt, and her bows. So she has a little outfit ready for her birthday. And I'm going to go ahead and add tissue on the top of that just to close it up. I don't want nothing falling. And then I'm going to bring everything down together. And that's going to help everything stay in place so nothing moves when I'm ready to close this box up. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it in. You see how I'm tucking in the corners? That actually helps a lot if you tuck it in. Tuck in your corners all the time, and that's going to help. It's kind of like going to glue it together. Trust me. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the lid, which is a nice clear white color. Now you can do so many things with this. You can actually wrap it up in tissue if you want. They have so many beautiful varieties at the Dollar Tree. I actually have a video on Instagram. Go ahead and check that out so you can see all the tissue they have before you purchase anything. I'm going to add 2 pieces of tape, just 2 of them. I don't want to make it so hard for her to open the box. And even so, she can rip the box up. It was just 50 cents, so that doesn't matter. But I want to add the tape so nothing falls off when she's ready to open this up. So I thought 2 pieces of tape would be enough, especially for a kid. Now I'm going to make a bow on this. So I decided to use this beautiful this beautiful purple bow. And it is really shiny. It goes great with some of the colors I picked up inside, since they're pink and purples. I thought this would be perfect. I picked this ribbon a long time ago, so I cannot even tell you where I got it from, but it's gonna go great. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure how long I need it. And just make sure you cut enough so you can make a bow. Bring it to the top and the bottom. Now I'm going to show you really quick how to make this. I'm going to go ahead and measure the ribbon in half. And then I'm going to show you really quick how to make it, at least how I make it. All I'm doing is measuring together. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to crisscross it underneath. Once I do that, I'm going to bring it up. So all I did was cross it underneath. That's it. I just can't show you because if I do show you, it might flip the shirt. And I didn't want that to happen as well. So all I did was I crossed it in the bottom and then I brought it up. It's that simple. I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's right in the middle before I make my bow and I tie everything together. I'm going to go ahead and show you really quick. Keep an eye on my hands. I'm going to cross it right there. You see how I crossed it? You saw how tight I grabbed it? Look at how tight. You got to pull it super tight before you go ahead and make your other bow. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a knot. Really simple. Once you start learning these tricks, you never forget them. And I'm going to cross it as tight as I can so nothing moves. Look at how easy that was. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my bow and just look at my hands. That was simple. You saw how I did it. If not, rewind the whole video. Rewind the video and just look how I did it. I didn't want to talk too much because I didn't want to confuse you. Now all I'm doing is pulling it a little bit, adjusting it just how I like it. And then once I have it how I like it, I'm going to trim the bottom. I don't want it to be too long. But that came out perfect. This is a great way to give someone a gift, especially if you're using a box. Trust me, you come in with this and they're going to, right away, they're going to look at the bow, how bright and beautiful it looks. So just go ahead and go that extra mile and add a nice cute bow. I'm going to go ahead and cut the bottom. Look at how cute that is. And I'm going to cut it at an angle, if you can tell. I love to cut my ribbon at an angle. It just looks more professionally done. So make sure you have a good pair of scissors when you're working with ribbon. Trust me, you do need a good pair of scissors so the ribbon doesn't cut, doesn't chew, doesn't rip, doesn't pull. So yeah, here's a little gift for my godchild. I hope she likes it. Let me know what you think of it. If you go ahead and make one, I'll link the videos down below so you can see how I made everything. And until next time, bye you guys.